Welcome to Boone Institute of NEET and G.
We empower students with the future of education. We provide comprehensive STEM education, covering science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. From robotics to coding, mechatronics to AI, we've got it all. Our hands-on approach includes practical sciences and courses aligned with the new education policy. Join us in shaping the innovators of tomorrow, where science meets imagination and learning meets innovation.